Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a video on hair rebonding. But before we begin, what is hair rebonding? So hair rebonding is a process wherein the natural bonds of your hair are broken through chemicals and heat. We'll be talking about the benefits and the downsides to rebonding. We're gonna start with the benefits. So the first benefit rebonding gives us is permanent results. Yes, unlike our other hair treatments. The second one is it makes our hair so much easier to manage. Yeah, you can stand a windy environment without worrying our hair is gonna be a mess. While there are several benefits to this treatment, there are also downsides to it. So the first one I would mention is hair breakage. Yes, the chemicals and the heat used in your hair, it makes your hair very fragile, so it breaks easily. The second one is burnt hair. Yes, it does burn your hair, believe it or not. The third one will be expensive. It's very expensive, or at least where I come from, hair rebonding is very, very expensive. So moving on to the precautions, you do have to choose a shampoo that actually is for straight hair. Yes, right now I use Tresemme and I think it suits my hair so well. My hair actually feels nice, smooth and silky, so I think that is one thing you need to do. You need to choose a shampoo that is for hair straightening purposes. Yeah. So the second one will be conditioning your hair. You have to condition your hair after every hair wash. I think you really need to do that because after rebonding your hair becomes very dry. It needs some moisture, so I think that's the best way to do so. And the third one will be you do have to put serum after you have towel dried your hair. And of course, I know some people might not agree with me on this, but I personally think hair oiling is a must, or hair mask. Some people do say that it's not okay, it's not right to put oil in your hair once you have the treatment, but I think it really helps. But depending on the hair and everything, you can decide for yourself. And the last one for me will be steaming. Do steam your hair once in a while whenever you can, because it really helps also. Yes. So we're gonna ask the questions that people usually ask or are curious about. So I've written down a few and I think I will try my best to answer them. So the first one is when should I wash my hair after rebonding? Well, what I was told, I think it was after 3 days I could wash my hair, and I think I did wash my hair after 3 days, and it was okay. Yeah. The second one is, can I oil my hair after rebonding? We just talked about it. Well, you should. For me, at least personally, I believe in oiling my hair, putting masks and whatnot. But if you do not like and you're not comfortable with them, your hair type is different, then you don't have to. But I think if you can, and if you do have some oils, I think it's really important for you to apply them, but do apply them after I think a month or two after rebonding. Yes. Last question is, how long does hair rebonding last? So personally for me, I think it does last for 6 to 7 months. After that, your hair starts growing, so from the roots you can actually see your waves. But it also depends on your hair growth. Yes, for some people it can last for a year, I would say, but it really depends on how fast your hair grows. I've come to the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching. Do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do comment below what else you want me to be posting in the future. And of course, don't forget to like my Instagram page. Till then, ciao!